Reports say businessmen kuda kwachi Tagwirei donated cars to ZANU Central Committee members, but Central Committee members are not crazy. They cannot be bought for a car. Sarabina mashkotoka na makomiti Central Committee members deserve more than mere cars from Tagwirei. They are not crazy. They can't support him because of cars. No one subscribe or like on the bell icon. Nazima kumchambanyura chiti. These are meant for women who were in the trenches of the liberation struggles. They survived rotation bullets. They built the party. They know the difference between empowerment and an insult. A car is a transport. It is not ideology. It is not policy. It is not the constitution. You do not mortgage your vote, your voice, or your legacy for 4 wheels and fuel card. If Tagwirei wants to support party, let him fund clinics in rural constituencies. Let him drill boreholes and empower Povo like what Potungara is doing. That's what we can call a genuine support that benefits the ZANU-PF party. Its grassroots. Let him revive industries. To Central Committee members can tell their people we brought jobs, not we got a car. Inga vipi chiwenga vakati kana mune mari yovhura yemakambani vanhu vashande wani. President ED vakati musasiye anyone behind, but Tagwirei ari kuinda oga mberi neupfumi, then CC ovapa zvichimota. The danger is this: when leaders are seen to be purchasable, the people stop respecting them. When Central Committee members are reduced to cars beneficiaries, or veterans ask, is this what we fought for? If you must buy loyalty with cars, then you have already admitted you don't have ideas, and the Central Committee members know it. Ndaisada hangu kutora Central Committee members, but since vanhu vaida kuita abduction zuro vasati vabatwa, ndikudze kuti Central Committee members deserve better than zvimota. Ndoma developments anobuda panguva ino. Ipinda comment section medu zvafungura iyi muri kudipa musoro mashoko makomichi. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.